Hi greedy 3Ds. I don't think any of you would argue with me when I said that damp is pretty much the enemy of your 3D printing filament. Anyone who's used PLA that's been left out in a cold damp garage for a while will know exactly what I'm talking about when you see poor adhesion, really weak prints or some severe stringing. So the answer is of course to make sure that your filament is as dry as it can be. And today we're going to be looking at this. This is the JAYO Filadryer J1 and it's been sent very kindly to me by JAYO to give a little bit of a test, to show you what it is, to show you it working, to talk to you about the price of it and to tell you exactly what you're getting in the box for your money. Stay tuned. Now there are a whole plethora of drying devices for your filament out there on the internet in all sorts of shapes and sizes, in all sorts of different price points. But the one today, of course, we're looking at is the JAYO Filadryer J1 printing mate. And what is it? What are you getting for your hard-earned wonga? Well, what you're getting if you buy the unit with the heater, because there's two units to this. The first is the one here on the right, which includes the actual box and the heating element. The second is just the storage box as well. Now I'm going to put the prices up on the screen for just the storage box itself, but if you want the whole heater and the unit as one package, you're looking at around about 45 to 50 quid, which puts it on par with pretty much all the others that are out there on the market in this kind of price bracket for what you're getting here. Well, what actually are you getting here? Well, you're getting a little storage box made out of plastic with a removable lid that you can pop your filament into and either leave it in there to stay dry without using it, and there's some little seals that will seal that in there. There's some little of those gel beads that are in there to absorb the water. Or of course, if you're using the heater, you've got an active heater. This is 150 watt that will heat up to 70 degrees centigrade. And you can set, of course, how much time you want to give it. You can even tell it what temperature you want to let it run at. But there's some little presets in there for PLA and PETG and ASA and all the certain other common ones that you're going to use. We can set that for you. And it will sit there and it will run just under 49 decibels, so it's not exactly loud, and it will dry your filament. That's if you're not using the filament. If you decide you want to use it as you are drying it. Now a lot of printers will have built-in heating units like the AMS unit, like the S1's Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2. But if you haven't got a printer that's got active heating, something like this would be ideal for you, because as you can see, a little Bowden tube will run out of either the front of the machine or out of the top of the machine, meaning you can feed your filament out of that machine, out of this box rather, into your machine while you're actually printing, which is great. And if you've got a printer like maybe the Centuri Carbon where it sits on the side, this will just sit down the side of your machine, you can feed it in, jobs are good, and you are drying your filament actively as you're printing. Obviously what you can do as well with the box is literally once you've finished drying it, you take your filament out, you pop it into the box, you seal it up, you close the bung, you use these two little devices at the bottom which will seal it in, and then you've got a closed box unit that will keep your filament dry using those little, I call them desiccant seeds, but I think you know what I'm talking about, the little absorbent moisture seeds or balls that you can put inside that will then suck the moisture out. But if you've already dried it, there's not too much to suck out moisture wise, which is always good to know. Now, I've used this in anger for a week or so now, and it's definitely done what it says it's going to do on the tin. It's dried the filament. There is a little hygrometer which sits inside as well, so you can see what percentage of fluid is sat within there. And in here I'm doing this in the man cave, which is rife for being damp, especially in February in the UK. It's quite a damp environment, it's a damp month, and I found that using this box and actively heating my filament certainly reduces the moisture content in the box. So it does it. It is what it is. You are looking at a plastic container with a lid, a couple of little rubber bungs so you can feed filament in and out, a little hygrometer inside, and a little 150 watt heater that heats your filament or whatever you're using in there, whether it's PLA or PETG or whatever, up to a maximum of 70 degrees centigrade. And you don't need it any hotter than that. That will certainly dry. So it's active heating with some little beads inside as well to draw that moisture in and trap that moisture away from your filament. So does it work? Absolutely it works. Does it do what it says it's going to do? It does it. Now, as I said at the start of the video, there's a host of other ones on the market there. So I suggest you do your research, see which one fits the bill for you, see which one you like, see which reviews work for you as well. Make sure to check out some of the other ones. But if the JAYO Filament Filadryer J1 is for you, well, I've got a little bit of good news for you. I'm going to be giving these two away to one lucky viewer. That would be the heated unit and also the storage box to one person. Now, if you want to win this, all I need you to do is pop down below in the comments of why you want to win it, and I will choose one at random and send it off to you at no expense to you, and you will be the proud owner of one of these Filadryer J1s. The only thing I can say is, and my apologies, you've got to be in the UK to win it at this stage. I can't really afford to ship it outside of the UK. I'm sorry about that, but that's just the situation I'm in. But if you're in the UK and you're a member of Greedy 3D, you're one of my subscribers, leave me a comment and I will choose one at random in a couple of weeks' time, and you can win this Filadryer J1 from JAYO. They very kindly sent it me, and I think it's only fair that I should send this on to someone who's got some use for this. I'm fairly lucky in that my filament dryers have got built-in heating units, but if you haven't got one of those, this would be ideal for you. $49.99 for the heated unit. As I say, I think they're doing a little bit of a deal at the moment to 45 quid, so it's not an horrendous price. It pretty much puts it there with all the others, and it does the job. It does it well. It feels robustly made. I've used JAYO products for a while now. I've used their resins. I've used quite a few of their resins actually, and they're known for being cheaper resins, which are good quality, very good quality, and I've had no problems or issues with them. If you like what you see today, please think about subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you want to win one. Think about joining the Greedy 3D Patreon. We'd love to see you there. It can be free, or it can be a couple of quid a month if you just want to support the channel a little. That'd be very kind of you, and thank you for that. And thank you to my subscribers that are doing that. You guys really are wonderful people. Thank you so much for your help, and I would be interested to know what your thoughts are and what your opinions are of what you've seen today with this little Filadryer. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and again, if you want to win it, let me know why you want to win it, and I'll pick one at random. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you found that useful today. Hope this is a bit of kit that you will enjoy using should you be the lucky winner, and if not, I'll put the links on their website where you can buy them from. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, but if you're interested in buying one, at least you'll know where to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Greedy 3D.